Welcome to BreakoutEDU. This is the setup video for Race to the Hogwarts Scavenger Hunt Cup, created by Catherine Jakovich. The story. Hurry! Harry, Ron, and Hermione need your help. Professor McGonagall just announced that the 4 houses in Hogwarts will be racing to win the annual House Scavenger Hunt. In each house of Hogwarts, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, Slytherin, and Gryffindor, there is a hidden key that must be found. You will need to put your magic and math skills to the test to find them. When all 4 keys are found, they can be used to unlock Professor Dumbledore's corridor, where the House Scavenger Hunt Cup and 1,000 house points are waiting. Time is running out. You must help Harry, Ron, and Hermione win the house hunt and the glory. Grab your wands and your math-knowing noggin, and let's go. For this breakout, you will need various boxes, other kit items, locks, and printable resources. For the boxes, you will need both the large and the small breakout box. You will also need the hasp and the reflection cards. As for the locks, there's 5 different locks you will be using. The 3-digit lock code is 528. The 4-digit lock code is 8059. The ABC multi-lock code is Valor, VALOR, and the color lock code is yellow, green, red, pink. And for the key lock, you will put the key to that lock inside the small box, as you will see later in the video. As for the printouts and resources, such as the puzzles and different code helpers, you will be able to find these in a Google Drive folder that is available on this slide, as well as the OER website for this game. The game overview. First, you will need to print out the victory ending sign in the reflection cards and place those in the large box. Then you will set all of the locks. The 3-digit, 4-digit ABC lock and the key lock will be locked on the large box. The key for the key lock will be put inside of the small box, and the small box will be locked with the color lock. Then you will need to enter the shared Google folder and print out the resources. The first one you want to do is the Hufflepuff puzzle number 1, which has a part 1 and 2. If you want to print both of those on the same sheet of paper, double-sided, so that there's one sheet, you can do that. If you're unable to do that, go ahead and print both of those sheets single-sided and glue them together. Then you will want to cut them into jigsaw pieces or different slips so that the students will have to form a puzzle looking at the Hufflepuff crest, and then we'll be able to flip over the sheet to solve the problems and find the code. The other resources also can be found on the Google folder. There is the Ravenclaw puzzle number 2, Slytherin puzzle number 3, Gryffindor puzzle number 4, and the Morse code key for puzzle number 4. You will need to print those 4 out. The Ravenclaw puzzle number 2, the 3rd puzzle, and the 4th puzzle will be solved to figure out the other locks. You want to scatter all of these resources on the table for the students to use. After you're done setting all of that up, your students will not be in the classroom, so they'll be in the hall or another room. You want to put them into groups of 4 and 5 if you want multiple puzzles. If you wanted to do this as a big class, you could do that as well. Once you're done doing that, you will set the game timer to 45 minutes and start the game. Once the students are done with the puzzle, hopefully they will break out in time and they will be able to take pictures with this victory ending sign. Please post those pictures and share them so I can see. Enjoy playing the Race to the Hogwarts Scavenger Hunt Cup.